Hey guys, we're here at Rentman stand at InfoComm 2026. My name is Tim. I'm the operations manager for Rentman in North America. I want to show you around some of the new stuff that we've been building recently. One thing that I want to focus on specifically is our new online quotes feature. So a little bit of a step back first. What is Rentman? Rentman is what we call an operations management platform for live event production and rAVe companies. What that means is we try to provide you with a product that can enable you to plan your productions, track your equipment, communicate with your crew all in one centralized system, right? So instead of having different solutions, you do all of that right in one system. To help you with that, and especially to help you with the communication with your clients and to simplify that, bring it into into 2026, what we've added recently is that if you're creating your project, if you're adding your gear, if you've added your staff, you can now go ahead and directly quote it out from Rentman, but also not just quote it, but also create a little website for it, right? So that's kind of what your clients might expect these days. So I'm going to head over here to my financial module where I get a nice financial breakdown of my full project. I'm going to add a new quotation, right, a new estimate, whatever you want to call it. I'm going to generate that, right? So I can now generate myself a nice little PDF quote that I could send to my clients, have them review it, have them look at it, have them give me feedback. But instead what I can do now, instead of just having a PDF, I can now very easily go ahead and also just publish the entire document online. What that allows me to do is add a little intro text to the actual web page. I can add some media maybe if you want to visualize it, make it a little bit more of a scope of work kind of look as well. I can give the quote a name. I can password protect it as well. By default, it's going to be password protected in my case. And I'm going to publish that. Right, I'm going to copy my password real quick and show you guys what that looks like. So I'm going to go ahead and open this up, add in my password. There we go. And view the quotation. And now what you can see right here is I have a full website. I can send the link to my client. And right here, what they can do is a couple of things. They get a full visual breakdown of the quotation. They can download it, they can sign it, they can request changes. And the nice thing is you yourself can actually see if people have looked at the file, what they have done with it, and so on. So it's a nice central place for you to centralize your communication and your estimating and quoting with your clients together with Rentman. So that's some of the new stuff we've been doing. We have new feature releases every single week. We're a kind of company that really values high output when it comes to features. If you would like to check out Rentman, if you would like to check out this new feature, if you want to simplify your quoting and estimating flow, you can head over to rentman.io. We have a 30-day free trial, free to sign up and reach out to us. Thanks so much.